In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a bookmark in Google Docs. If you're working on a longer document, bookmarks can make navigation much easier. They let you mark a specific spot in your document so you can quickly jump back to it later, or link to that exact location from another part of the file. This is especially useful for reports, study guides, meeting notes, or any document with multiple sections. To get started, open your Google Doc and scroll to the exact place where you want the bookmark to appear. Then, place your cursor at that location. Be sure you click precisely where you want the marker to go, because the bookmark will be attached to that selected spot in the document. This is helpful if you want to create a reference point at the beginning of a section, next to a heading, or anywhere else you may want to return to quickly. Once your cursor is in place, go up to the top menu and click Insert. From there, look for bookmarks and links, then choose Bookmark. In some versions of Google Docs, you may simply see Bookmark directly under the Insert menu. Both options do the same thing, so if your menu looks slightly different, that's completely normal. Just select Bookmark from whichever path appears in your version of Google Docs. As soon as you click it, a small blue bookmark icon will appear next to that location in the document. That blue icon confirms that the bookmark has been successfully inserted. If you don't immediately see it, check that your cursor was placed correctly before using the menu option. In most cases, the icon will appear right away and be easy to spot beside the text. That's all it takes to insert a bookmark in Google Docs. It's a very simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when you're organizing information or making a document easier to navigate. If you're using bookmarks in a shared document, they can also help other people move directly to important sections without scrolling through the entire file. When using bookmarks, it's often a good idea to place them in consistent locations, such as section titles or key reference points, so they're easier to use later. With just a couple of clicks, you can make your Google Docs much more organized and user-friendly. And that's how to insert a bookmark in Google Docs.